Good morning students, how are you? Students, today we will do the question number 4, the exercise 1.5, class 9th. और ये क्वेश्चन है represent 9.3 on the number line. Represent under root 9.3 on the number line. So students, how we will solve these questions, how we will represent on the number line. First we will draw a line. एक लाइन हमने ड्रॉ कर ली. नाउ ऑन दिस लाइन वी विल टेक द 9.3 विच गिवन. 9 is here, 9.3 is here. So this is the 9.3 centimeter. This point is A, this point is B. Okay, 9.3. Now in my earlier video I told you the 1 centimeter extra. We will mark 1 centimeter. Means 1 unit. 1 unit extra. This is 1 and this point is suppose C. हमने 1 unit इसमें extra कर दिया. Now take the midpoint. Take the midpoint of AC. Midpoint of AC. For this, what we will do? We will do by this method. Bisector. This is the bisector of the line AC. You can do directly also, but I normally prefer this bisector by using compass. So this is the midpoint. Take midpoint as a O. O is a midpoint of OC. Take OA as a radius. Take OA as a radius and O as a center and make a circle, semicircle. Okay, now we have make the semicircle. So now क्या करा अब तक हमने? First we will draw a line 9.3 सेंटीमीटर, क्योंकि हमें 9.3 सेंटीमीटर बनाना था. 1 सेंटीमीटर एक्सटेंड करा, बाइसेक्टर करा AC का and then draw the semicircle. Now what we will do? We will make the perpendicular at point B by using D protector at point D perpendicular. This is the 90 degree. So this point is D. This perpendicular cut semicircle at point D. BD is equal to under root 9.3. Okay, now take BD as a radius, BD as a radius and B as a center and draw an arc. This arc cut this line at point E. This E point represent 9.3. Now for this, B represent 0, number line. This is the negative part. 0. This is 1. And this is E point is represent under root 9.3. Okay. So by this way, we can represent under root 9.3 on the number line. So you can do this in your copy and do practice. This is the question number 4 of your exercise, and the one more questions I am telling you, the very important questions of your exercise, that is very simple. The question number first, third part. What is the question? 2 under root 7 upon 7 under root 7. In these questions we have to classify this number is rational or irrational. How you will classify? Now you cannot say, देखो, root 7, 2 under root 7, 7 under root 7. Root 7, root 7. Remember is 2 upon 7. 2 upon 7 is in the form of P upon Q. 2 is integer, 7 integer. So 2 upon 7, what is this? A rational number. This is a rational number. अब हमारी जो पहली कंडीशन थी देखो, 2√7 क्या था, 2 इज़ रेशनल, √7 इरेशनल, दोनों के मल्टीप्लिकेशन इरेशनल, 7 इज़ रेशनल, √7 इज़ इरेशनल, दोनों के मल्टीप्लिकेशंस इरेशनल। एक इरेशनल नंबर को इरेशनल नंबर से डिवाइड करने का मतलब ज़रूरी नहीं है कि इरेशनल नंबर ही आए। देखो रेशनल नंबर आ गया, इरेशनल भी आ सकता है। सो थैंक यू वेरी मच एंड डू प्रैक्टिस ऑफ √9.3 on number line. Thank you.